You can view and order parts from Apple GSX via Fixably's GSX integration. You can run diagnostics and add notes directly from Fixably. You will not have to copy and paste this information into GSX again. When adding a product to a GSX repair, Fixably will always list the most commonly used parts to make it easier for you. You can see stock availability once you add a part to a repair. You can choose to use consignment stock or purchase the part at this stage. You can create the repair once the cost estimate is approved by the customer. You'll see that the relevant information is now pre-filled for you. Note that you don't actually use up the stock until the cost estimate is approved and you've created a GSX repair. When you receive the product, it can be scanned into Fixably. This part will automatically be attached to the order and the technician is notified of this. This ensures the turnaround time between receiving parts and completing a repair is optimized.